Oh, I
Ugh.
can't get into
It
it.
smells like feet.
Oh my god.
It would be
We
great
found
if we-
really fun candy canes that are non-traditional flavors.
Doing this. Where is this taste test happening? Here?
I want a clean palette for my candy canes, Danny, just for the record.
We've got ketchup.
Yeah, it smells like rotten tomato soup.
It smells like
It does smell like
tomato soup.
Mac and cheese.
Oh my god.
And a surprise mystery flavor especially for Ryan.
I like the color.
It's not as repulsive.
ketchup candy canes.
My biggest thing is going to be how sweet are they going to actually be, you know?
Right,
Like ketchup is mostly sugar,
right. Ketchup,
but
mac and cheese is quite something, and the mystery
Yeah.
flavor, which I'm aware of, is
yeah.
not understandable.
Yeah. So the surprise flavor is, I don't know if you've ever been around for his mushroom tea obsession.
You want the real secret to our success and our firm's success? Mushroom tea.
So I found a shiitake mushroom flavor candy cane. So I was like, I gotta get it for the mushroom man.
This
No,
is,
you're gonna love this flavor.
It's festive.
It's just very earthy.
It's not bad.
Oh.
This one's not bad.
Yeah, it's mostly just earthy.
That one was the worst yet.
No, this is like wild.
No, I'm excited to try it. I'm always down to try something weird.
It's okay, but the smell is putrid.
It smells like
I need to
death.
smell it. Can you smell
Ew.
it? What the hell?
No, then it's bad.
No,
Ugh.
it's bad. It tastes
Oh
like,
my god. Yeah.
it got spicy.
Really? Spicy ketchup?
Spicy.
Feeling a little not okay, guys.
My mouth now tastes like it smells.
Where's the box? Where's the box?
Oh, it tastes like tomato
Why
soup.
is it spicy?
Yeah, this is like, oh, the
The mac and cheese,
Mac and
was
cheese one is-
absolutely the worst.
putrid. Don't bring these to your holiday parties.
No.
Like, no.